Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Days of the week: 1. Listen, repeat and recite. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday. Grison on Tuesday. Married on Wednesday. To kill on Thursday. Ride on words on Friday. Day died on Saturday. Buried on Sunday. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
2. Look up a calendar and write the following dates. The first day of this year.
1st January 2021.
The last day of this year.
31st December 2021.
The day the school started.
28 June 2021.
The date today.
8 October 2021.
Republic Day.
26 January 2021.
Independence Day.
15 August 2021.
Thank you.